Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back. I'm Rost Qasim and watching our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're going to talk about another awesome project. The project name is Maya XRP.Space. So it's a very unique project. So first of all, you can see I'm here on the website homepage $Maya, name XRP, founders dog, symbol $Maya, address. Here you can see this is the official contract address, Telegram, Twitter about Maya, and proof. Here you can see DEX, CoinMarketCap, DEX scanner, DEX tool, and DEX is also provided. So let's see. First of all, on the home page you can see Maya endorsed by Ripple. So founder Arthur Better's dog, community driven, tech backed and poised for growth. 0.tax XRP LP Burnett, and here you can see this is the interface. About Maya intro gathers around crypto enthusiast and dog lover like, because I got a tale of bag about Maya, the cryptocurrency that literally gotten the seal of approval from a dog. Not just any dog, mind you, but canine companion for the Ripple. So founder Arthur Barreto, if you can't trust dog judgment on the crypto, who can you trust? So here you can see just here to ensure that planet's liquidity on the XRP. So it's about Maya. Here you can see the hilarious tale of Maya, another day, another at the token Maya's token, just not another token. It's a community loved child born from a mix of tech wizard and dog enthusiast. And here you can see this is the interface of the project. Learn more about Maya, a series of exclusive link where holders can read about the great Maya. Here you can see this is the proof, and this is the end of the project homepage. Join the community, buckle up the awesome experience. Telegram, Twitter is also provided. So first of all, let's up, and here you can see.
हेलो गाइस, वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक। तो अभी जैसा कि आपको पता है, हाल ही में यूएस के इलेक्शन हुए हैं। इलेक्शन की वजह से क्रिप्टो की जो ग्रोथ है वो बहुत ही ऊपर जा चुकी है, और इस बार इन्होंने बहुत ही हाई टच किया है। तो एक्सपर्ट्स जो सा कह रहे हैं कि वो अभी ये और ऊपर जा सकते हैं। तो ये एक बेस्ट टाइम है क्रिप्टो में इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए। लेकिन इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म सेफ है? जी हाँ, तो आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं कॉइन स्विच के थ्रू। कॉइन स्विच एक इंडिया की मोस्ट ट्रस्टेबल एंड वन ऑफ द इंडियन बिगेस्ट क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंज है। कॉइन स्विच के साथ आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, और इसके अलावा और आप यहाँ पे क्रिप्टो फीचर्स में ट्रेड कर सकते हैं, जहाँ आपको मिलती है लोवेस्ट फीस 350 प्लस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, और अप टू 25x का आपको लेवरेज देखने को मिल जाता है। एंड मतलब अगर आपके पास 1000 रुपये हैं तो आप ट्रेड करने के लिए यू कैन ट्रेड विद 25,000। अगर आप फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग में नए आए हो तो पहले 15 दिन के लिए मिलता है 100% फी रिबेट। सो इट्स ऑसम थिंग, मतलब आप अपने फीस सेव करोगे। सो आई थिंक इट्स ऑसम। कॉइन स्विच फाइनेंशियल इंटेलिजेंस की यूनिट इंडिया से रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है, और 2 करोड़ से ज्यादा यूजर इस प्लेटफॉर्म में ट्रस्ट कर रहे हैं। और सबसे अमेजिंग बात, कॉइन स्विच पर दे रहा है 1% कैशबैक पहले 30 दिन के लिए, और प्लस इसमें आपको 0 ट्रेडिंग फीस देखने को मिलती है, ये जो कि बहुत ही कमाल की बात है। कॉइन स्विच पर प्रूफ रिवर्स POR में मेंटेन किया जाता है। टोटल कस्टमर होल्डिंग क्रिप्टो INR 2774 करोड़ है, जो कि आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट अमाउंट है। और टोटल कॉइन स्विच की होल्डिंग जो है 3000 ऑलमोस्ट 500 करोड़ है, जो कि एक वन ऑफ द आई थिंक बिगेस्ट अमाउंट जो कि यहाँ पर होल्ड हो रही है। ये देखते हैं कि उनकी स्ट्रॉन्ग फाइनेंशियल, ये दिखाता है उनकी फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। और इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा और पिनड कमेंट में आपको मिल जाता है। जाके कॉइन स्विच जो कि है वो आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं।
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.
This is official Telegram. Here you can see this is official Instagram account. You can see this is Instagram post here. You can check it out. So guys, first of all, you can see $Maya on the DEX Canon official. Here you can see the price of the project is also shown. You can check it on Maya XRP, and here you can see latest buy, sale, and everything right here. You can check out the price prediction of the project. You can also use the best indicator for the price prediction, and here you can see the chart of the project, and you can see latest dump down. And this project, this is project early stage. If you invest now, you'll be get more token and you will be get more profit. So here you can see the latest price of this project, and you can see the latest buy, latest sale, everything right here. You can see latest buy and sale. Most of people buying this project, so I hope this project is the biggest project in 2025. And here you can see this is the, if you want to buy, you can enter your amount in USDT, and like if you want to buy with $500, $600, you can see this is official XRP. If you want to buy with 5 XRP, you will be get like something token, almost 20 tokens. Simply click on enable the chart. After clicking the enable the chart, crypto project trading view, and here you can see this is the chart setting. You can chart on mobile, and you can see each and everything by this project, the contract address, and here you can see this is the official pair. You can see official pair. If you want to simply click on explore, and this is official XRP Maya contract address, and each and everything right here. Pair created 12 days ago, and you can see each and everything right here. So I hope you understand everything. And this is the official Twitter account. Here you can see they have joined in December 2024, and they have 121 followers, and they're following. And you can see this is the latest post about this Maya project. And here you can see how far will XRP and dollar Maya rocked by December 31 2024. What now? And let's ride the bull infinity and beyond. So here you can see it's dependent on you. So I think it's $100 massive, and I'm right, they have a 50% vote on the $100. So you can vote it by yourself, and see, you can see this is a 14 hours ago post. We have a created Instagram account, the followed Arthur Pareto, who is the owner of the Maya and CEO founder of XRP. And here you can see should we slide into the Breto's GM to ask for dog treat. And here you can see this is the official Arthur Breto. And here you can see when Peep and Maya both realize they're wearing May's t-shirt, and now they are ready to take on the night. So I think it's funny, but it's awesome. So you can see this is contact address, and this is official community of the Telegram. And here you can see this is the community, and each and everything right here. So this is the community Maya XRPL founders dog. They have a 483 subscribers on their Telegram. Simply click on be on Telegram, just follow the Telegram. This is the official Arthur Brighto, and here you can see this is the like some posters about the dollar dog, and you can see by yourself already provided on the proof. Click on proof, and you can check out each and everything. So I hope you understand each and everything. So you can see this is a narrowed, and you can check out the narrowed about and Twitter and XRP. So as I already told each and everything, so I think this is the one of the greatest project of the 2024. And you can see this is XRP scan. And if you want to check out more anything, you can see website, Telegram, XRP CEO founder. If you want to buy it, simply enter amount, then click enable. Simply you need to sign up and enable your chart, and you will be get your token easily. So you need to just add the token by adding the contract address, and you can buy the token, and token will be successfully added to your wallet. So I hope you understand each and everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We will definitely reply you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.